Lobster risotto is not hard to make. But it does take time and attention. Just a few simple ingredients. Finely diced onion, sweat them in olive oil over medium heat. Add arborio rice, coat it evenly with oil till a slight nutty aroma comes forth. Add some dry white wine, reduce the heat, and slowly let the rice absorb the wine. Stir frequently. When it's almost dry, slowly begin to add hot lobster stock, about half a cup at a time. Stir, absorb, and add more. Repeat until the rice is tender and the liquid is creamy. Check seasoning, add chopped lobster meat. Check and adjust seasoning again. Stir in freshly grated Parmesan cheese. One more taste. Serve it up and top it with butter poached lobster claw meat. Now that was easy.